Now today we discussing about ordinary differential equation of first order and first degree or ODE. ठीक है. The general form of ODE is mxy dx plus nxy dy is equal to 0. Okay. Now such that example x to the power 4 e to the power x minus 2a xy square dx plus 2ax square y dy is equal to 0. Now what is mxy? Mxy is a function of xy. Okay, it is mxy. How we denoted it? Mxy is the term with dx and nxy is the term with dy. Okay, now mxy is equal to x to the power 4 e to the power x minus 2a x y square. Yeah, nxy is equal to 2a x square y. Now we will discuss about the exactness of a differential equation. Now what is the exact? Exact means we differentiate the equation. At first we check that a given equation is exact or not. Okay. Now such an example. Now if del m by del y is equal to del n by del x, then the equation is exact. Okay, now such an example y dx plus x plus cos y dy is equal to 0. Here mxy is equal to y. Here mxy is the term with dx, here the term is y, and n xy is equal to x plus cos y. Okay, here in xy is the term with dy, here x plus cos y is the term. Now del m by del y is equal to 1. Now we differentiate it with respect to, we differentiate m with respect to y, and the differentiation is partial differentiation. Okay, partial differentiation means when we differentiate any function with respect to y, the other variable are constant. In the same way del n by del x is equal to 1, here cos y is constant. Okay, now del m by del y is equal to del n by del x, therefore the equation is exact. Okay, now solve the equation. Okay, general solution is integration mxy dx plus integration terms of nxy not containing x dy is equal to c. Okay, now mxy is equal to y, and integration term of nxy not containing x, that means we choose only the term of y. Okay, and we neglect the term of x. Here see that the term nxy, the term is x plus cos y, we only choose cos y. Okay, and neglect x because property says they are only the term of y. Now the integration is partial integration, means when we integrating with respect to x, the other variables remains constant. Okay, here we integrating with respect to x, y is constant. Okay. Mm, Now xy plus sin y is equal to c. This is the general solution. Okay. If del m by del y not is equal to del n by del x, then the equation is not exact. Okay. When the equation becomes an exact differential equation when we multiply the equation by a suitable integrating factor. There are various ways to find out the integrating factor if. Okay. Rule 1: when del m by del y minus del n by del x by n is equal to fx, where fx is a function of only x, then integrating factor e to the power integration fx dx. Okay. Now such example: xy square minus e to the power 1 by x cube dx minus x square y dy is equal to 0. Here m xy is equal to xy square minus e to the power 1 by x cube. Okay. And n xy is equal to minus x square y. Now del m by del y is equal to 2xy. Okay. And del n by del x is equal to minus 2xy. Here we differentiate, partial differentiate with respect to y. Here see that partial, if we differentiate with respect to y, 2xy is comes, and same way minus 2xy del n by del x. Okay. Since del m by del y not is equal to del n by del x, you see that del m by del y not is equal to del n by del x. Therefore the equation is not exact. Okay. Now use the rule 1. We use the rule 1 to find out the integrating factor. Okay. Now del m by del y minus del n by del x by m is equal del m by del y. What we find out? Del n by del m by del y 2xy minus of 2xy by n minus of x square y. Okay, is equal to 4xy by minus of x square y is equal to minus 4 by x is equal to fx. It is a function of x. Okay. Now integrating factor is equal to e to the power fx dx is equal to e to the power minus 4 by x dx. Okay. It is equal to e to the power minus 4 log x is equal to e to the power log x to the minus 4 is equal to x to the minus 4 is equal to 1 by x to the minus x to the power 4. It is a logarithmic function. Okay. Now multiplying both sides by integrating factor x y square minus e to the power 1 by x cube 1 by x to the 4 dx minus x square y by x to the 4 into dy is equal to 0. Okay. Now we integrating this. Okay. Sorry. Now we integrating this. Okay. 1 by 4 x 1 by x to the power 4 in here you see that x to the 4 x by x to the 4. Here x is cancelled out and simplify by simplifying y square by x cube minus 1 by x to the 4 to over 1 by x cube dx minus y by x square dy is equal to 0. By integrating, here the integration is partial integration with respect to dx. Okay, so y square is constant and square 1 by x cube dx minus, here you see that nxy, here nxy, what is nxy? uh, the previous page, here uh, here nxy is equal to minus x square y. It is x term of xy, not only x, not only y. Okay, but property says us that here the term is as that when mxy and nxy are homogeneous, then are homogeneous functions of same degree, and mx plus ny not is equal to 0, then integrating factor is equal to 1 by mx plus ny. Okay, now such example, x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 into dx minus xy cube into dy is equal to 0. Here you can see the power of x, the power of y is equal to 4, the power of x is equal to 4, and the total power of xy is equal to 3 or 1, and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. You can see the power is same, x here x 4, a power of x, power of y 4, and power of xy 4. So you can easily define that it is a homogeneous equation. Okay, homogeneous equation means you find the homogeneous equation when you see that the equation of each part has the same power. Here the same power, 4 4 4. Okay, now it is a homogeneous equation, and now m xy is equal to x to the 4 plus y to the 4, and n xy is equal to minus xy cube. Okay, now del m by del y is equal to 4y cube, and del n by del x is equal to minus y cube. অতএব del m by del y not is equal to del n by del x. Okay, therefore the differential equation is not exact. The equation is not exact. Okay, now uh, here you can see mxy and nxy are homogeneous function of degree 4. Okay, degree 4, here 4 degree you can see. So from the property we can get mx plus ny is equal to mx x to the 4 plus y to the 4 m into x plus n minus xy cube into ny is equal to, we can see that x to the power 5 plus y to the 4 into x minus x y to the power 4, here cancel out, and x to the power 5 not is equal to 0. Okay, now we apply the integrating factor 1 by mx plus 1 by ny. Now integrating factor is equal to 1 by mx plus 1 ny is equal to 1 by x to the power 5. It is the integrating factor. Okay, therefore multiplying both side with by integrating factor, we get x to the 4 plus y to the 4 by x to the 5 dx plus x y cube by x to the 5 into dy is equal to 0, or 1 by x plus y to the 4 by x to the 5 into dx. Okay, minus x y to the power y cube by x to the 4 dy is equal to 0. It is the exact differential equation. Now now indicating both side, here you can see the term of nxy, the term of y and x, so it is neglected. Okay, here integrating 1 by x plus y to the 4 by x to the 5 dx is equal to c, or log x minus y to the 4 by 4 x to the 4 is equal to c, or 4x to the 4 log x minus y to the 4 is equal to 4c x to the 4, where c is arbitrary constant or integrating constant. When mxy dx plus nxy dy is equal to 0 can be represented in the form of y into phi xy dx plus x into psi xy dy. Okay, xy huh? Dy, and mx minus ny not is equal to 0, then integrating factor is equal to 1 by mx minus ny. Okay. Here you can see here not comma. Okay, xy, the term of xy and xy, here also xy and xy, x into y. Okay. You can see now such example here. You can see now x square y square plus xy plus 1 into y dx plus x square square minus xy plus 1 into x dy, okay, is equal to 0. Okay, now here m xy is equal to x square y square plus xy plus 1, and n of xy is equal to x square y square minus xy plus 1 into x, okay, into y. Now del m by del y is equal to 3 y square x square plus 2 xy plus 1, and del n by del x is equal to 3 x square y square minus 2 xy plus 1. Since del m by del y not is equal to del n by del x, okay, therefore the equation is not exact. Equation is not exact. Now the differential equation is of the form phi into y into phi xy dx plus x into psi xy dy is equal to 0, and mx, we can see ny, mx minus ny is equal to 2x square y square is not is equal to 0. Okay, you can see it. Now integrating factor is equal to 1 by mx minus ny is equal to 1 by 2x square y square. Okay, multiplying both side with integrating factor, we get x square y square plus xy plus 1 into y by 2x square y square dx plus x square y square minus xy plus 1 into x by 2x square y square dy is equal to 0, or y by 2 plus, by simplifying it, 2x plus 1 by 2x square y dx plus x by 2 minus 1 by 2y plus 1 by 2x y square dy, okay, is equal to 0. It is an exact equation. Okay, therefore the general solution is integration y by 2 plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2x square y, same property, dx minus, here you can see 1 by, only there have only y term. Okay, so we write it c. Okay, y x by 2 plus half 1 by 2 log x plus 1 by xy minus 1 by 2 log y is equal to c. It is the solution, general solution. Okay, rule number 6. Okay, when 1 by y into n minus x into m into del m by del y minus del n by del x is equal to phi of xy. Okay, then integrating factor e to the power integration phi xy dxy. Okay, now such example, x to the 4, here you can see the example. Okay, here mxy is equal to here, this you can see, and nxy is equal to x square to the 4 minus x. Okay, now del m by del y is equal to 2x to the power 4 into y minus 1, and del n by del x is equal to 2x y to the 4 minus 1. Okay, now you can see that del m by del y not is equal to del n by del x. Okay, now 1 by yn minus xm, apply the property by del m by del y minus del n by del x is equal to 2x to the 4 y minus 1 minus of 2x y to the 4 minus 1 divided by y into x square y to the 4 minus x minus of x into x to the 4 y square minus y. Okay, by simplifying we get minus 2y xy is equal to phi of xy. It is a term of xy. Okay, therefore integrating factor is equal to e to the power integration phi of xy d of xy is equal to here minus 2 by xy into d of xy is equal to e to the minus 2 log of xy is equal to 1 by x square y square. Okay, here multiplying both side, we by integrating factor charge is becoming low. X to the power 4 y square minus y by x square y square dx plus x square y to the 4 minus x by x square. Here x to the 4 x square y to the 4 minus x by x square y square dy is equal to 0. Okay, now x square minus 1 by x, by simplifying this, 1 by x square y dx plus y square minus 1 by x square y square. Okay, 1 by x y square, okay, into dy is equal to 0. Okay, now it is the exact equation, huh? Okay, we now solve it. Okay, this is exact equation, huh? Here we can solve it. Here this is mxy and this is only the term of y, n from nxy. Okay, now x square, by integrating with respect to dx, here x cube by 3 and plus here uh, uh, integrating y square by with respect to dy with respect to y, here y cube by 3 and here 1 by y square integration y is constant, so minus plus becoming minus minus plus, and 1 by xy is equal to c, where c is an arbitrary constant. Okay,